Welcome to my recorded classes. So this recorded video, we are discussing a topic from module number 4, selected topics in graph theory. We are discussing here 4.5 section, that is tree traversal. So let's start the topic here. So before starting the topic, you can see module number 4, selected topics in graph theory. We have 5 sections. Graph terminology, representation of graphs, shortest path problems, trees and application of trees, and lastly we have 4.5 tree traversal. Okay, so this topic we are discussing in this recorded class. So let's start the content here. Section number 4.5, tree traversal. So first I will give the roughly what are the ideas we are discussing here. After that we will do the questions one by one in this class, recorded class. So tree traversal, actually what is the meaning of the tree traversal, correct? So tree traversal means, or we can say tree search and walking in a tree, walking through the tree, correct? So tree traversal is roughly meaning it is the process of visiting each vertex, okay, each vertex, or we are calling node, vertex or node, each vertex in a tree exactly one time in a systematic way, that is calling the tree traversal. Okay, so tree traversal means nothing but traversing is the process of visiting each of the node or each of the vertex of a tree only one or exactly one time in a systematic way, correct? Now there are three standard ways for the tree traversal algorithm, or there are three most commonly used traversal algorithms. One is the pre-order traversal, second one is in-order traversal, and the third one is the post-order traversal. So before coming to that topic, see tree traversal, I hope you understood that one. What is the meaning tree traversal? See, I will show one tree here. For example, I have a tree here. The root of the tree, that is here given, it is A. This is the root of the tree, correct? Now I am drawing the tree here fully. This is the vertex B and this is the vertex C. This is the left vertex and B is the left vertex and C is the right vertex, correct? Now again I am continuing that tree here. This is the D vertex and this is the E vertex. Okay, so I just drawn one small tree here. Now tree traversal means, I told we need to visit each of the vertex, okay, exactly once in a systematic way. Okay, that is the tree traversal. For example, see here, this tree, when we are considering, this is the left part of the tree, correct, or this is we are calling left subtree. Okay, subtree means a small portion we are taken left side. Now same this portion we are calling the right part, that is the right subtree, correct, right subtree. Now we need to visit to all the vertex exactly once in a systematic pattern here. So how to visit that one? For example, I will show some examples here how to visit each of the vertex exactly once. Okay, let me here see, this is the root vertex. For example, I am starting from the root vertex and left subtree first we are doing left to right, that is the order here. So for example, first I am visiting B, then I am visiting D, then I am visiting E, okay, then I am going to C, then I am stopping that one. This is one type of traversal, correct? So visiting all the vertex one time in a systematic way. See, first left subtree we are covering, then we are going to the right subtree we are covering, correct? So this is one type of tree traversal here. So same like see how to traverse through a tree in a systematic way, each vertex exactly one type. So now we will come, there are three most commonly used traversal algorithms. One we are calling pre-order traversal, traversal. Now pre-order traversal, how we are going is, first main root vertex, correct, then left subtree we are visiting and right subtree after that we are visiting, root, left and right, this combination we are going. This is the pre-order traversal. Okay, pre means first we are visiting root, that is why pre-order traversal. Now in-order traversal, in-order means in, see root is inside, so you can see root term is inside, root vertex is in. First we are visiting left subtree, then root, then right subtree we are visiting. This is we are calling in order traversal. Now post order traversal means post means the last one. See, root will be the last visiting vertex. So first is left subtree we are visiting, then right subtree, then the root vertex. This is the order, post order traversal. So there are three standard ways of traversing. One is calling pre-order traversal, second one in-order traversal, and third one is the post-order traversal. Now we will discuss one by one this one, how we are visiting pre-order, in-order and post-order traversal. Okay, so let me discuss first pre-order traversal. So as I told you, pre-order traversal means first root, then left subtree, then right subtree, correct? For example, what is the algorithm pre-order traversal? You can see step 1, visit the root node. Okay, visit the root node. You can see one picture, one graph here, one tree here on the down, correct? So in this tree, this is the root vertex, correct? That is the root vertex in the graph, this vertex, A vertex. Now we have this left subtree and right subtree. What is the left subtree? That is the only vertex B, correct? Only one vertex. And right subtree means the C. Now how we are visiting in pre-order? First we need to visit the root vertex. That means A vertex first we are visiting. Then step 2, recursively traverse left subtree in pre-order. Left subtree in pre-order. That means we need to visit the left subtree. That means B we are visiting. After that, in step 3, recursively traverse right subtree. Okay, then we are going to visit the right subtree. That means C, correct? So you can see the arrow here. I am marked here A first visiting, then B, then C. That is the pre-order traversal. So what is the pre-order traversal here? A, B, C. First A visiting, then B visiting, then C visiting. Okay, hope you understood how we are doing in pre-order traversal. So you can see this idea. First left vertex we are root vertex first we are visiting, then left vertex, then right vertex. Like that it is continuing. Hope you understood. Now we will discuss one or two example. Example number 1 here. Okay, so we need to do pre-order traversal here, this graph, this tree. Okay, so what happens, see here I am highlighted here what is the left subtree and what is the right subtree here. Okay, left subtree we have small portion, right bigger portion is there, correct? Now see, this is the left subtree here, this portion, correct? This is the left subtree. Now this right subtree, this is the right part of the subtree. This is for example this one root. Here again we have one left part and one right part here. Understood? Right subtree, again we have left part and right part there. So we need to visit very careful. Okay, how to go in pre-order. So as I told you, we need to start with the root vertex. This is the root vertex, correct? Main root vertex. Okay, now from the root vertex we need to visit first left subtree in pre-order, correct? Pre-order means root, left, right. That is the meaning. So left subtree we need to visit in pre-order. So what we are doing? First we are going to the next root vertex, that is B. After that, see, from that we need to go again the left vertex. Here there is no right vertex, correct, to visit. So only we have the left part here. We are visiting D there, correct. Now after that, immediately we will go to the right part. Right part, first we are visiting this root vertex. Okay, you know what is the meaning root? See, this is the main. We have one child here and one child here. This is the left child and this is the right child. This is the root, correct? This is the parent vertex there, correct? So this order we need to visit root, left, right order. That is the pre-order visit. Okay, so anyway we will do this question. We can discuss here. So after D, we will go directly to C, correct? Now from C, we need to go to the left part. Left part, what is the left part? It is E, correct? So we are visiting E. Then E, what is the left part here? G, correct? After left part, we will go to the right part, that is H. Now here, after this right part, again this right part here, F, because this root now, we have left part first we are visited. After that we need to go the right part. So here after H we need to go to this right part. So this visit we are calling the pre-order traversal in a tree, correct? So I hope you understood. So pre-order traversal, what is the pre-order traversal here? First A we are visited, after that B visited, then D, then we are C, then E, then G, then H, after that last F we are visited. So each vertex we are visited exactly one time in pre-order, correct? That is the systematic way, pre-order way we are visited all the vertex. Hope you understood how we are doing. Now again we will discuss one more example in pre-order. You can see one example in pre-order. So first we need to visit the root node or root vertex. After that we need to visit the left subtree. After that we need to visit the right subtree here, correct? So for example this question, okay, so this is the root vertex, okay, so we are starting from the root vertex. First we are doing the left subtree part. This is the left subtree, correct? And you know this is the right subtree, correct? So first we need to visit the left subtree in pre-order. After that right subtree in pre-order, okay? Pre-order means, what is the meaning pre-order? Root, left and right, that way, okay? So we need to visit here. So we will start here the visiting. So first we are visited the root vertex, that is number 1, first we are visited. After that we are going to the left subtree, okay, this root we are visiting, that means number 2 we are visiting. After that this root, okay, this parent vertex left side first we are visiting, that means number 4 we are visiting here. Then the right part, okay, this right part is 5, okay, also this is a parent vertex because he is having a child 8, correct? So after 5 vertex visiting, we need to visit the left part of that 5. So this is the left part, there is no right here, correct? So we are visiting only the left 8, so 8 done. Now after this visit we are going to the right subtree. Right subtree first root is 3, correct? Or first parent here it is 3 subtree starting. So 3 we are visiting. After 3 the 3 left vertex we need to visit, that means number 6 we are visiting. After 6 we will go to the right part, correct? See here the right vertex, that is 7. Now 7 vertex, after that 7 left part we need to visit, and 7 then right part we need to visit, so that it is visited all the vertex here. So this one we are calling the pre-order traversal, okay? Hope you understood. First started from root to the left subtree, this vertex. After that this one left 4, then right 5, then again left we are going. After that this left subtree finished means we are going to the right part, 3 subtree starting, then this left part we are doing, then right, then that one is left part, then going to the right part. So we are getting the full pre-order traversal. So 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 3, 6, 7, 9 and 10. This is the pre-order traversal. Hope you understood this question. Okay. Now let me go to the in-order traversal. In-order traversal. In-order means in means inside, correct? So root will be the inside. See, so left first visit, then root visit, then right subtree visit. That is the left root right combination, in-order traversal. So how the algorithm will work, you can see algorithm. Until all the nodes are traversed, how we are need to go to that one? In step 1, correct? So in step 1, recursively traverse the left subtree first, okay? That means, see in the tree down we can here we have one example in the down. First visit the left subtree, this is the left subtree, correct? Now in step 2 we need to visit the root node, this is the root node, correct? So after B we are visiting the root node, then step 3 we are visiting right subtree in order, correct? So what is the right subtree here? That is C. So left, then root, then right combination, okay? You can see I am putting the arrow here. So in order traversal means, what is the in order traversal here? B, A and C. First B, then A, then C. That means first left subtree, then root, then right subtree, okay? You can see one video here. So it will be more easy to understood that one, this animated video here, okay? Okay, now we will do one example here. You can see example number 3. One tree is given here. We need to do in order traversal through this tree, correct? So as I told you, we have one left subtree, one right subtree. I am highlighted by green color, and this right subtree we have again one left part is there. See this parent, this vertex, we have one left side and one right side is there, correct? So we need to visit all these things in order traversal, correct? So in order traversal, always we need to start from left vertex, correct? So you can see in the left subtree, just to see what is the extreme left vertex here, that is D here, correct? So we need to start with the D vertex. Now after D vertex, which order we need to go? Left, then root, then right. So for example, this D, this is the root vertex B, correct? So we need to visit B. Okay, there is no right here, right vertex here, so no need to go that one. So again we are going to the main root vertex, that is A here. So first visited D, then visited B, then visited A. So the left part we finished that one. Left part and root part we finished now. Now we are going to the right part, correct? Right part again, this right subtree, again we need to start from left side, correct? So what is the left side here? G, correct? So we need to start with the G. After that we need to visit that parent vertex, that is E, that is the root vertex, for example E. Then we need to go, after E we need to go to the right subtree vertex, right vertex, that is H. Then after that we need to go to the root of that one, that is C. Okay, after that we need to go to the right vertex, that is F here. Okay, hope you understood that one, how we are visiting that one. So starting from the left subtree here, okay, then we go to again that B. From B we are going to the main root vertex. After after A we will go to the left part again here, correct? The left part of the right subtree. So G, then we need to go to that root here, then we need to go to the right. After that again the root, C, then we need to go to the right vertex here. So this traversal we are calling the in order traversal, okay, through a tree. So we will do one more question here. You can see example number 4. So what are the steps we are discussed here? First we need to traverse through left subtree in order, and then main root vertex. After that recursively traverse to the right subtree in order, correct? So we will go to that one. So this is the tree here, you can see. So we have, this is the left subtree and this is the right subtree, correct? Right and left, and this is the root vertex, correct? The main vertex. Okay, now we will go to here. So we will start from the left side. In order means we need to start from the left first, then root, then right, like that. So this is the left part, that is number 4. So first we visit number 4, correct? Now number 4, after that, what is this parent of that one, that child parent, or we can say the root simply, okay, that subtree root we can say. So visit that 2 here. So first left we are visited, then this is the root, then we need to visit after that the right vertex, correct? Left root and right, like that one. So we will go to that one. See, first we visited 4, after that visited 2. Now before visiting number 5 we need to visit the left part, correct? Then only we can visit this one. So what we will do here in the visiting, first 4, the left one, then we will go to this one, number 2. Now number 2, before visiting number 5 we need to visit this left vertex, correct? After that only we will go to the root vertex, correct? Because this one number 5 we have one child here, this is in left side, that we need to visit first. Left, then root only we can visit, correct? So we need to do 4, 2, then 8, then 5, correct? After 5 we need to go to the root vertex, that is number 1. So left side we are finished, okay? So we need to go left first, then the root, then the right, correct? Like that the order. So left part we finished. Now we need to go to the right part. How we are going to the right part here? So 1 we finished. Now this right subtree we are visiting the left part, correct? So number 6, correct? Number 6 we are visited. After number 6 we will go to number 3, that one parent or that one root, correct? So 3 we are visiting. Now after 3 we cannot visit 7 immediately. What we do, we need to go to that left side, left vertex, correct? So that is 9. Then from that 9 we need to visit that root vertex 7, correct? Then after that the right vertex. Hope you understood that one, correct? Left. So if you have one root, see like this, okay, first we need to visit left child like this, then we need to visit to root. After that only we can visit to the right, okay? We cannot to visit to root immediately. First we need to visit to left, then only we can visit to the root, then we have to the right child, like that one, okay? That's why this order is coming. So this is the example for the in order traversal. Hope you understood that one. So all the vertex we are visited here in order traversal, okay? In the systematic way we are visited all the vertices. So this is the definition, in order traversal. Okay, now we will go to the third one, that is we are calling post order traversal, okay? Post order traversal. Now post order, post means last, okay? Post order traversal means root will be last only visiting. So first we need to visit left subtree, then right subtree, then root vertex, okay? So left subtree we need to visit in post order, then right subtree we need to visit in post order, then root vertex we need to visit. So you can see this example how the algorithm is working. So step 1, we visit the left subtree, this is the vertex, that is B, okay? From B we need to visit the right subtree or right vertex here, see, that is the C here. Hope you understood, okay? This parent or this root, right side we need to visit. After left we need to visit to the right. Then after that we need to visit what? We need to visit to the root vertex here. This is the way we are calling in the post order traversal. For example, what is the post order traversal here? First B, then C, then A. Hope you understood, correct? The algorithm. Now I will show one animated video here how to go post order traversal, how we are doing in post order traversal in a tree. Okay, you can see this animated video. Okay, I hope you understood. Now let me come to one example here. Okay, you can see this example. Okay, one tree is here, we have left subtree and we have right subtree, correct? And in right subtree we have left, again the left portion is there, as we discussed in the previous example. Now we will start this visit. So what is the order here? First we need to visit the left, then we need to visit the right, after that we need to visit the root vertex, correct? Left subtree, then right subtree, then root vertex. Okay, so let me start with the left part. Okay, left subtree, that is D, we are starting. After D, where we need to go? Right, correct? So we will go to that vertex, parent vertex, that is B. Okay, and there is no right here. So we are visited the B here, B vertex here. After that, what we need to go? We cannot go to the root vertex. We need to go to the right part now. So first we visited D, then we visited B, correct? Now we go to the right subtree part. Right subtree left means it is here, correct? G we are doing. So we will start G. After that G to where we need to go? After G we need to go that right vertex, that is H. After that we need to visit the parent vertex, that is E, correct? Left, right, then parent vertex, that is E. Now after E we need to go the right part, then we need to visit which vertex? The parent vertex, that is C. After parent vertex, after right subtree full finished means we need to go to the root vertex, that is A here. So this traversal we are calling the post order traversal. So we started from the left subtree D, D to B, okay, then B to where we need to go? B to G we are going, because we are not going to visit the root immediately. After right subtree in post order we need to visit, okay? So left, then right, then root, then right, then root, then again the main root, that is A. So this is the post order traversal. So what is the post order traversal here? D, then B, then G, then H, then E, then F, then C, and then A. Okay, hope you understood this example, the traversal example. Okay, now one more example you can see, example number 6. Example number 6 here. So post order traversal in this tree we need to discuss here. So first left subtree, then right subtree, then the root node, correct? So we will start here. What is the left subtree here? This is the left subtree here, correct? And this one is the right subtree here, correct? And this is the root node, correct? Root vertex. Okay, so let me start with the left subtree. So left side we are started here 4. Okay, so first we are visiting number 4 here. Now number 4, this is the left, correct? Now immediately we cannot visit to the number 5, this right. Why we cannot visit? Because this one, this vertex, we have one left vertex here, you can see here number 8, correct? So what we will do, first we need to visit this vertex, okay, this left vertex, that means 8. After that we can go to that one, the parent vertex, that is 5. Okay, so 4, after that left vertex it is 8, then we need to go 5. After that we need to go to the number 2. Okay, number 2 vertex. Now number 2 done means we need to go to this right subtree, because we cannot visit to the root vertex, correct? So how we will go that one? After that number 2 we can see the right subtree part, correct? This is the right subtree. Right subtree we need to visit first left one, that is number 6. So from 2 we are visiting number 6 here. Now number 6 we cannot go to here immediately, correct? Because here this vertex we have one left part here, correct? So we need to visit after 6, we need to visit number 9 here, correct? So we will write here after 6 number 9, then we need to visit the right vertex number 10. Okay, then we need to visit the 7 vertex, the parent, then we need to visit 3. After visiting 3 we need to go to number 1 here. So this is the post order traversal through that tree here. Hope you understood that one, how we are visiting. So left, right and root combination. First left subtree in post order, then right subtree in post order, and then we need to visit the root vertex or root node. So all these 3 method I hope you understood. Now we will go here one example discussing all these 3. For example, we have a tree here 23, that is the root vertex, then 4, then 1, then 11, 30, 24 and 34. So we have left subtree here and we have right subtree here, correct? Now we will visit the vertex, each vertex in pre-order, in order and post order here. Okay, so let me start here. First pre-order. Pre-order means which is the order? Pre-order actually. Pre-order means first we need to visit the root vertex. After that left subtree. After that right subtree, correct? This order. Right subtree we need to visit here. So first root vertex. What is the root vertex here? 23, correct? So we are visiting 23 first. Then left subtree we are visiting in pre-order, correct? So how we are visiting pre-order? First we are going to the main parent, that is 4. Then their left. Then their right one, correct? That means here. So 23, 4, 1 and 11. After that we need to go to the right. Right means right subtree. First we are starting with 30, then 32 the left part, that is 24, then we need to go to the right part, that is 34. So that is the pre-order visit, correct? Pre-order traversal. Okay, now let me go to the in-order traversal, next one. Okay, we will go to the in-order traversal, next one. Okay, now in-order traversal means what is the order we need to visit? First we need to visit left subtree. After that we need to visit root vertex. After that we need to visit the right subtree in order, correct? So we will go one by one here. Let me erase this one. Okay, now we will start first left subtree. So started with number 1. Okay, number 1 left, root, right. Number 1, then root we are visiting or parent, that is 4. Then we need to visit the right part, that is 11. Okay, so 1, 4, 11. After that we need to visit the main root, correct? So that means it is 23. Now we are going to the right subtree. Right subtree we need to visit in order. So first we need to visit which one? the left side, that is 24. So after 23 we will go to 24, then we need to go to the vertex 30, then we need to go to the right vertex, that is 34. So this is the answer: 1, 4, 11, 23, 24, 30 and 34. Hope you understood that one. Now lastly we need to discuss the post order traversal. Now post order means how the order: first left subtree, then we need to visit right, then we need to visit the root, correct? Okay, so let me go to the third one. Okay, so first we need to visit the left subtree, left to right, that is order. So left is number 1, okay, number 1, then right is 11. After that this one number 4, left to right, like this combination. Then we need to go to the right part, correct? So 1, 11, 4. Now we need to go to the next part, correct? Next left part here. So 24. So 24. After that right, that is 34. Then we need to go this 30. All visiting means we need to go to the root vertex, that is 23. This is the post order traversal. Hope you understood this example. So this recorded class, mainly we are discussing the pre-order traversal, in-order traversal and post-order traversal. Okay, with we did already many examples. Now let me do 1 or 2 questions in exercise. Before that we have 1 or 2 examples more. Example number 8. Example number 8 here. So write the pre-order tree traversal, in-order and post-order traversal. For example, this is the tree here. Example number 8. So first we will check the pre-order. Pre-order first we will check. So first pre-order means root, left, right. So root we are starting, 10 we are starting. Then left subtree first we are visiting in pre-order, that is 12. After 12 we need to visit the left part, that is 3. Okay, after 3 we need to visit again the parent here, that is 4, next parent, that is 4, that is the right part. Then the left here, then the right here, that is 7, correct? 6, 4 and 7. First we are visiting, one error. After visiting 3 we need to visit 4, then we are visiting 6 and the visiting 7, correct? Only 7, correct? 4, 6 and 7. Now we need to go to the right part. What is the right part here? Right subtree, we are starting with 5 here. After 5 we are visiting 11. After 11 we are visiting 2 node. After 2 we are visiting the 8, correct? So this is the pre-order traversal. Now we will go to in-order traversal. Okay, in order, we can check it here now. So in order means which order we need to visit that one? Left, root and right. So we will start from the left side, correct? So number 3 here, number 3 here, then the parent is 12 here. After 12 we need to go to the left part, okay, then parent, then the right part, okay. So 3, 12, 6, 4 and 7. Now after 7 we need to visit the root vertex, that is number 10. Now after 10 we will go to the right subtree part, starting from left, that is 11 here. After 10, 11. After 11 we will go to that parent here, 5. Then after 5 we will go to the right, that is number 2. Then number 2 we are visiting the number 8. Hope you understood that one, correct? Okay. Now we will go to the post order traversal. In the same graph we can do the post order traversal. Okay, now post order means left, right, root, correct? So start from the left, that is number 3. Now number 3 we need to go like left, then right, then only the root, correct? The root vertex. So you can you know that one, that idea. So for example we are started with 3. Now we cannot go directly to 4. First we need to visit the left part here, 6. Then we need to visit the right part here. Then we need to go to the main one, that is 4, correct? Then after that the main root here, it is 12. Got it? Then we need to go to the right part. Okay, right subtree. Right subtree, left is starting with 11. So after 12 we go to 11 here. After 11, where we need to go? 11 to this one. See, number 2 immediately we cannot visit. See here, right we need to, left first we need to visit, then right we need to visit. Here there is no left part. So immediately from here, where we need to visit actually, from here 11 we need to visit this right part. Okay, after right we will go to, after 8 we will go to number 2, the root vertex. Again number 5, the root vertex, the main root vertex, that is equal to number 10, this order. Okay, so this is the post order traversal. Okay, now we have another example, example number 9 here. You can see we need to write what is the pre-order traversal, in-order traversal and post-order traversal. So first start with the pre-order traversal. Start with the root vertex, that is A. After that A to B we will visit, left subtree we are visiting in pre-order. So B, then B to E we are visiting. Okay, E to J we are visiting pre-order. Now after J, where we need to go? Because in pre-order, which is the order? Root, left, right, correct? So after J we need to go go to the root vertex, that is K here, correct? The parent vertex. Then we need to go to the left, that is N. Then after N, O. After O, that is P, correct? Then after P, here see we have one right vertex is there, that is P. Okay, because first we are visiting left side, left to right the order, correct? Now we need to go to the next subtree, that is C. After F, so we will go to C, because here we have 3 subtrees, correct? In this question we have 3 subtrees are there. This is one subtree, okay, and this alone one subtree, and this is right subtree, this one. Okay, so we have 3 subtrees are here, so we need to visit one by one. Okay, so visited C. After visited C we will go to the right subtree. So where we need to start with the root vertex, here parent vertex, that is D. After D we will go to the left side, that is G. After G again go to the left side, that is L. Now L we need to go to the M vertex, that means right vertex, that is M. Then after M we need to go to H vertex, this is the right. After H we need to go to I vertex. Okay, so it is covered all in pre-order. Now same way we need to check in order also, the same question we need to do in order. In order means left, root, right, correct? Okay, so let me start here. So first start with the left part, here J. Okay, so started with J, left, root, right, correct? So after J we need to go to that root is E, correct? Now E, after that we need to go to the, we cannot go to this right, because this is the parent of this child, N, O and P, correct? So first we need to visit here in the left vertex, that is means N vertex first we need to visit. N is the left vertex. After N only we can go to K. Hope you understood. After N only we can go to K vertex. So here, from here E we need to go to the left vertex. After N we need to go to K vertex. Then we need to go to the right vertex. What are the right vertices? So O and P, correct? O and P. After P visiting we need to go to the parent here, that is B. Then after B we need to go to the right, that is F. So that's left subtree we finished now. Now we need to go to the parent root vertex, main root, that is A, correct? Now from root A we need to go to the second subtree, that is C. So C also finished now. Now we are going to the right subtree in in order. Okay, so where we need to visit now? So we reached now C. Now we will go to the left side here, this is L, correct? So after C we will go to L. Then L we need to go to their parent, that is G. After G we need to go their right side, that is M. After M we need to go again, where we need to go? Their parent here. Then after M we need to go, that is we need to visit D, D to H, H to I, correct? Left then right. So this is the in order traversal. Now same way we need to do the post order traversal here. You can see how to do the post order traversal. Let me go. So post order traversal means we need to visit left, right, root, like that one, correct? So start with J, correct? So J. Now J we cannot visit immediately right, correct? Because this is the parent of N, O and P. So first we need to visit here the left, correct? Then after that only we can go to that right and parent vertices. Okay, so we can see. So J we are starting. Okay, from J we will go to this left, that is N. Now from N we need to go to the right, that is O. O to the right, that is P. After that we need to go to the root vertex, that is K. Now once we reach the K means again we need to go to the main parent, that is E. Then this is the left side, correct? Then we need to go to the right side, that is F. Then we need to go again the left here, that is B, the parent vertex, that is B. Then we need to go the next subtree, that is C. Okay, right side it is subtree. Now we need to go the right subtree, third subtree, correct? In post order. So we are starting with the left here, that is L. So after C we will go to L here. L to right, left to right, correct? M. Then their parent, that is G here. Then G to the right side, that is H. Okay, H. Then again right we have I. Then their parent, that is D, correct? So once we reach D, last we visit the root vertex, that is A. This is the post order traversal here. Hope you understood that one. We can practice. We need to draw and practice. Then only it will helpful that one. Okay, now let me do some examples here in exercise. Exercise 4.5, question number 1. Exercise 4.5, question number 1. Determine the order in which pre-order, in-order, post-order traversal visits the vertices of the following ordered rooted tree given. Okay, we need to go to pre-order, in-order and post-order traversals. We need to write that one. Okay, so let's start the pre-order first. Okay, so pre-order first we are doing the root vertex, then left, then right, correct? So started with the A here, then left subtree first we are doing, so B, then B to D here, then after that the B to D, after that we will go to the right part here, E. Okay, first main vertex, then their child vertices, that is F, then we have G. After that we need to go to the second subtree, that is C, correct? So root, left and right. Okay, now in order traversal. Okay, same question, in order traversal we can do. So in order traversal means we are starting with left, then root, then right subtree, correct? Okay, start from the left subtree, left side, that is D here. Okay, then we need to visit the root here, that is B. After that we need to visit the right. Okay, we cannot visit this one because we have already the left here and right here, correct? So first we need to visit here the left. Okay, then we need to go to the E vertex. After F we need to go to the root vertex, then we need to go to the right vertex, that is G. So first left subtree we finished, go to the root vertex, that is A. After that we need to go to the right subtree, that is C here. So this is the in order visit. Okay, now let me do to the post order traversal. Okay, so post order traversal means what I told, we need left, then right, then root, correct? Start from the left, that is D here. After D we need to visit left, right to root, correct? Now immediately we cannot visit this right because we have child here F and G, correct? So first after D we need to visit here F, then we need to visit the right, left, right, after that the root vertex, that is E, correct? Then again we need to go the root of that one B, okay? Then we need to go second subtree, that is C, then we need to go to the main root, that is A vertex, okay? So this is the post order traversal. Hope you understood this question. Okay, now one B part, okay? B part question, same question. We need to pre-order, in-order and post-order traversal visits from these following questions. Okay, so first pre-order, start from the root vertex A. Now left subtree, first we are visiting in pre-order, then right subtree we are visiting in pre-order. So we can go A, then B, okay, then we will visit A, B, after that D, you can see here A, B, D, then we can go here E vertex, correct? From E we can go I, from I we can go to the J, from J we can go to M, M to N, then N to O, correct? O, then we need to go to the right subtree after this one, so we are going to the C, next one, correct? After C we will visit the left, then after that we visit G, after that we visit H, the right part, then again we visit K, after K we need to visit the right, that is L, then we need to visit P here, okay? Pre-order is comparatively easy to visit that one, first root, then left, then right. Okay, now in order visit, we can go to the in order visit here now. Okay, so in order visit we need to start from the left subtree, left, then root, then right, okay? So D we are visiting, left, root, right, correct? So D, then B we are visiting, after that we cannot go E because here the childs are there, so we need to visit I here, correct? We need to visit I here, after that I we can go to that root E, after E we need to visit, we cannot visit J, correct? So where we need to visit? We need to visit M, okay? Then from M we need to visit the parent of that one J, after J we need to visit the right part, that is N and O. We have to write N and O, correct? So the left subtree part we are done now. After left subtree we need to visit where? We need to visit the parent vertex, root vertex, that is A. Now after A we are going to the right subtree in pre-order, correct? In order. So we will go to A, after that we need to start with the left part, that is F. So A to F we are starting, after F we need to the root, that is C. Now after C we need to visit the right part, that is G. After G we need to go, we cannot go to H because they are having child K and L, so we need to visit the left part first, that is K, correct? Then K to H we need to visit, H to not L, that is P. After P we need to visit the L vertex, okay? Here there is no right part, so we are stopping at L, okay? So this is the in order traversal. We need to draw the graph and we need to practice this one, okay? So it is easy to get that one. Okay, now we need to do post order traversal, okay? Post order tree traversal. So post order means left, right, root, correct? So we started from left subtree, D is the left part, so D, left, right, then the root, okay? So D we will come to that one. We cannot go to E firstly because they have child, so we need to go I, the left part, correct? I. After I again we cannot go J, we have the left part, M is there, so we need to go M. After M, after left we need to go right, N, okay? After N again right we have O, then we need to visit the parent vertex, that is J. then we need to visit next parent, that is E, okay, then we need to visit next parent, that is B, correct? So this is the order we are going, okay, traveling. Now after B vertex, okay, we need to go to the right subtree part now. Okay, let me start the right subtree. So after B we need to go the right subtree left part, that is B here, that is F here. After F we need to go the right, left, right and root, correct? So G. After G we cannot go to H, correct, because they are having child, so we need to go that left part, K here. So G to K. G to K, again we cannot go L because this having a child P, so we need to go after K to P, then P to their parent, that is L, then their parent, that is H, then their parent, that is C. After lastly we need to visit the root vertex. So this is the post order traversal. Okay, so you can practice that one, you will get it easily. Now question number 1, C part. Okay, question number 1C, one more question, lastly we are doing. Determine the order in which pre-order, in-order and post-order traversal visit in the vertices of the following ordered rooted tree. Okay, so first pre-order. Pre-order means starting with the root vertex A. Now we are visiting the left subtree, that is B. After B we will go to E. After E we will go to K, that one, correct? Root first visit, then left, then right, correct? So K here. Now after K where we will go? K to the right part, that is L. L to the right part, that is M, we are visiting. After M again the right part, that is F, correct? Then F, here there is one root G, okay. After G we need to go to N here, then N, from here it is R, then R to S here, correct? Too many vertices are there, so we need to draw and practice R to S. Now we need to go to the second branch, that is C, correct? Now C we are going to the right subtree, that is we are starting with D, okay. D is the parent there, so D we are doing. Then the left side is H, okay. Then again the left side is O, correct. Then the right side is I, then the right is J, J to P left side, then P to Q we are getting, correct. So this is the pre-order traversal in that graph. Okay, now we can go to in-order traversal, the same graph, in-order traversal. So first visit left subtree, left port, okay. So K, then left root right, correct. So K to their parent, that or their root is E. So E, then we need to go right, so L, then we will go to right, that is M. After M again we are going to the next parent, that is B. Then B to F we will go, this is the parent left. Then there right we are going. After F we are going the right side, immediately we cannot go G, correct. So we need to visit first what? R we need to visit here, correct. So after R we need to go to the root of that one, then we need to go to the right of that one, N and S here. Now after S we will go to the main parent, that is here G. Then from G we need to go to the root here. After root we need to go to the second subtree, that is C. Then we need to go to the right subtree part now in we need to visit like in order. So we reach now C. Now C to here left part is O, correct. So directly we will come to O here. After O the parent is H, so we will go to H. Then their parent is D, we will go there. Then the right here it is I, we can go there. After I we cannot get J because there is child P here, so we can go P here. After P we will go J, then after J we can go the Q vertex, okay. Too many vertex means sometime it will confuse, so we need to practice by hand, Okay, so we'll get easily. Okay, now we will go to the post order traversal. Post order tree traversal. Okay, now post order, how it will work, you can see. Started from the left here, that is K. So left right root, correct? So K first we are going. So after left we need to go right, that is L. Again right, that is M. Then after that we will go to the parent vertex, that is E, correct? M. After that E we are going. Now after E, this one again we go to the right, that is F. After F we need to go again the left here. So we can go R here. After R, their right is S, we can go. Then we need to go their parent, that is N. After N, their parent is G here, so G. Then we need to go this parent, that is B, we can go B. Then root we are visiting last only. So second subtree we can visit here, only C. Now the right subtree we are going to visit in post order. So we need to start with O. This is the left, correct? So C to O we need to travel. Then O after the root of that one, that is H, we need to do. Then here we need to go the right. Okay, that is I. After I we need to visit this P. Then P to Q, and Q to J, and J to D. Then D to A we need to visit there. This is the post order tree traversal. Okay, so this is the idea in this recorded class. What is how to visit pre order, in order, and post order, or this traversal, how to do that one. So we can practice some easy trees first, then we will go to the more vertex trees, so that idea will get easily. So thank you for watching this recorded class. Okay, please subscribe my channel for getting more recorded classes. Thank you very much.